How to fix Enter Network Credentials error on Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are getting the Windows security error message when you attempt to enter the network credentials, then the first thing you want to do is check if the spelling or characters you've entered in username or password is correct. If it is correct, then the next thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search for Control Panel. Now click on View By, then select Large Icons. Here you want to click on Network and Sharing Center option, then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Once you're here, expand the All Network section, then find the Password Protected Sharing option. Here you want to click on the Turn Off Password Protected Sharing, then click on the Save Changes option. Next thing you want to do is click on the search menu again, and this time you want to search for Local Security Policy. Click on that. Now select Local Policies, then click on Security Options. Here you want to find Limit Local Account Use of Blank Password to Console Log On Only option. Double click on that. Make sure it is selected to Enabled, then click on Apply, then click on OK. Once that is done, you want to click on the Start menu, then click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now you want to select Network and Internet. Scroll down and find the option of Network Reset. Click on that. Now this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Go ahead and click on the Reset Now option. After that, your PC will be restarted. Now with these methods, you will be able to fix this problem, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.